Southern Kitchen. Today, we're going to be making Salisbury Steak Deluxe. About 3 years ago, I made Salisbury steak and gravy, but I used stuffing mix, and it's really good, but I found this recipe, and I wanted to try doing this one. The first thing you're going to need is the whisk. You want to get a cream. It said cream of mushroom, but you know we don't do cream of mushroom around here because Tony. I'm using cream of onion. I'm going to get another spoon. I'm never fully prepared. I guess you could use any cream. I didn't want to use cream of chicken since there's a beef recipe. But cream and onion should be just as good. This is going to help make your gravy. You need about a tablespoon of yellow prepared mustard. And about 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Now mix this together and set it aside temporarily. Okay. You need about 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I had to figure out how much 1.5 pounds of this is going to be. This is 2.25. This is ground chuck. I'll save that little bit, make some hamburger gravy or something. Keep doing this, I don't like doing that. You need an egg. 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, a 1/4 cup of this stuff, set this here. Some onion, some finely chopped onion.
Left. Turn the lid left. There you go.
Tony disappeared whenever it's time to do this. He usually does this. Got onion on my hand. I'm going to use the left hand. Some salt and pepper.
That was your right.
Not tricking me, boo. And because I don't want meat under my fingernails, because somebody said something that it's contaminated anyway, the only reason I glove up is because I don't want meat under my fingernails. Of course, you gotta be smarter than the glove. I think I'm failing. Aha.
Mm-hmm.
Shut up. Oh my goodness. And you'll mix this up just till it's combined. You know, don't want to over mix it. Then I'm going to make some patties out of this. I should be able to make 6 out of this. And I did. Alright, I'll meet y'all over at the stove.
Still holding up.
All
Okay.
Alright, I got a couple tablespoons of oil in here. All I'm wanting to do now is just brown these. We're not going to cook these done yet. That's all we're doing is browning them.
But we're hungry now.
So I'm going to get these browned on both sides. Well, shoot. I'm going to get these browned on both sides, and then I'll bring you back for the rest of the story. Be back shortly. Okay, I browned it and I did pour the grease off of it. Now you want to take, with this concoction right here, take half a cup of water and mix it up in it. And pour this over it. Turn it down pretty low. Cover it. And let it cook 15-20 minutes till it's done. And the burgers or the Salisbury steaks are 160 degrees. Alright, we'll bring you back. Alright guys, they're done. I did have one break apart, but that's alright. I did decide not to have any rice or potatoes with this, because we got a dessert to eat as well. And I don't know what it would have tasted like with the cream of mushroom, but I tasted this sauce, and oh my god, it's delicious. Over here I've got some Brussels sprouts with prosciutto that you saw last week. This is a kind of a light supper because we got a dessert to go with this. I want to thank y'all for joining me. I appreciate y'all being here. Leave me a comment. Share it on your social media and give me a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. You'll be seeing this the day before Thanksgiving. I want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. We'll be leaving that day. So y'all have a good one. Alright everybody, supper's ready. Bye.